Hello. Right, what we're going to be doing today is a repair. Well, a repair on the Guerrilla? No, not actually. Modification maybe. Modification. When I was cleaning it the other day, is this going to work this way? Maybe we need to turn it round. I noticed there's movement on the gear lever. It's not tight on the shaft, and no matter how much you tighten that up, it won't grip the shaft properly. There's play. And you can't do it too tight because you end up stripping the threads in there. So my plan is to take it off, put it in the vise and just nip these two together just a tad so it grips onto the shaft at least, then finish off tightening it with that. So let's take it off and we'll go from there. Yeah, it does come off easy enough actually. Won't take much. But I'm thinking it's that loose. The only thing that's keeping it in is this Allen bolt. It's not clamping down on the shaft. And like I say, you know, it's just there. And the bolt's just goes in that groove and stopping it coming off. The actual gear lever should be clamping on there. My worry is that you could end up stripping them splines with it not being engaged properly. So let's get it in the vise and see if we can just nip it up a little bit. Okay, so put just a little bit of rubber in there so as not to scratch it up. And if we just clamp it there in the old vise and just squeeze it somewhat. I'll put my finger on it so I can feel it moving. I think feels like it's gone a little bit, so I'll just take it off and try it first, haven't we? See how it fits on. Still feels loose on there. I don't think it's clamped up any yet, so back in the vise. Yeah, I think that's got it. Felt it move then. Let's try it again. No, I don't think that's intended to clamp at all. There's no, you can't get any movement in that metal with that little bolt. There's no way that little bolt is going to clamp it up. It is just there to stop it sliding off. I mean, I had to give that a real good bashing in the vise. Basically you want it a tight fit on the shaft before you even put the bolt in. The bolt's going to do nothing other than stop it sliding off. Right, so it is back on now, and it's definitely tighter. Probably could do with a bit more, but yeah, it's definitely better. But yeah, like I say, it's not a pinch bolt. It's there to stop it sliding out this way. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.